What's up guys, today we're going to be doing the best tablets you can replace your laptop with, and I'm going to make sure I chop it up in different price brackets for each individual. So first up is the new 9.7 inch iPad. So this is great for people on a budget, coming in at $329. So it has a 9.7 inch display, the Apple A10 Fusion chip, an 8 megapixel camera, and it's compatible with the Apple Pencil, but I recommend not getting it because it costs a lot unless you just really need it, and it's compatible with Bluetooth keyboard. So this is a great option for, like I said, people with a budget. So you can even skip over Apple's keyboard and go get one on Amazon for much cheaper. I've seen them even for $15. So this is a great way. You have one of the largest app stores out there, so you have a large variety of applications to choose from: Microsoft Word, Excel, all that good stuff. So this is a great laptop replacement. So next is the Microsoft Surface Pro. So this is definitely a little more pricier. If you want to get it with the keyboard, it's going to run you about $900. So it does have the Intel Core i5, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage. So you get full Windows on a tablet, which is really awesome. It's probably one of the best choices if you can afford it. These specs are really beefy, so it'll be able to handle any application you can throw at it, like I said. And also, got to give a shout out to the hardware on this guy. It is really amazing. Microsoft did a beautiful job with this tablet, and I remember when I first saw it, it's just a really great looking piece of hardware. So this guy is compatible with third-party keyboard and mouse, so you can go ahead and get one of those instead of paying the premium price for Microsoft's keyboard. So I really recommend this laptop if you really got the money to spend. This is definitely the way to go. So last on my list is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. So this is a really great little tablet. It meets the best of both worlds, as you can see, coming in at the $519 price range. So that's without the keyboard, which you're gonna need, which you can get a third-party keyboard, but the keyboard won't be such a massive price. So some of these specs you get with this, guys: you get a Super AMOLED display, one of the best displays you can get. You also get Samsung's S Pen, which is pretty good if you're into drawing and stuff like that, and you really like the functionality of using a pen. They also got some nice premium quad speakers on this guy, which is pretty cool too. So you're not missing anything with Android's App Store either. It has a really massive App Store, so you're not gonna miss any applications. So this is just a great tablet, especially for the price. It meets the best of both worlds, like I said. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.